Back with Ty, the boozy ice cream man, with our first signature cocktail here at City Birch. What are you going to make for us, Ty?
All right, first we're going to make the spice and ice, which is going to be the Camarena infused with ancho chili peppers and the mango habanero.
Oh,
This guy
fantastic!
right
So,
here.
what would be a simple way to describe that? You'd say like a spicy margarita.
Spicy margarita.
All right, sounds awesome.
All right, so the craft right here is going to pour the measurement. You want to fill it up one finger from the top. And then to get your audience going while you're doing this, you can splash this with some liquid nitrogen. It's going to give you all the spices that's going to be in the 7 spice room,
Oh my gosh!
which is in here. I'll ground it up for you.
Oh, let me smell that. Wow! I've got ginger and spices. That's incredible. And now, what if two people wanted the margarita? How would you measure that? If two people wanted it at the same time?
Let's fill it up twice.
All right, cool. I think it's like a trick question, but all right, I like the logic.
All right, we're going to rim our glass. Just swirl it into a half line.
All right, so a little fresh lime. And then what are you dipping that in?
This is going to be the 7 spice rum.
All right, so it's kind of like Chinese 5 spice, but with 7 spices. And all those kind of like nice grandma spices, plus a little Szechuan peppercorn. All right, so now you're putting that right in the bowl. All right, I see. Ooh, what's that? What's going on
Squeeze it
now?
with some liquid nitrogen, and this is going to get it all nice and slushy for you.
All right, so what is liquid nitrogen? Why is it making all that smoke?
Liquid nitrogen is actually 75% of the air that you breathe. And it's 200 degrees below the boiling point, the freezing point.
Well, it's actually
So it's
200
super,
degrees
super cold.
colder than dry ice. Negative 321 Fahrenheit. That's like crazy, crazy cold.
Oh, this is way better than
All right. So how do you know when it's ready?
It'll get nice and thick.
All right.
Like
Kind of like a
this right
7-Eleven slushie, but even like a little bit more. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. That looks incredible. So the tequila, you said it's ancho chili tequila?
Camarena reposado infused with ancho chili peppers.
Oh, fantastic. So anchos are actually dried poblano, so they're not super hot. They're gonna have a nice roastiness to them. But there's also a little bit of a ginger habanero syrup in there. And the ginger is gonna give it a nice little kind of ginger beer zestiness. The habanero is gonna give it a bit of heat, but like a quick heat, kind of like wasabi. And that's gonna get cooled off by that nice fresh mango. All right, awesome. So it's basically like a really fancy, spicy frozen margarita.
Almost like Hot Rocks now. I'm gonna take your rag, clean
All right,
it
just
all
keep
up,
it clean.
and then present it to your guests.
All right, and then just 1 spoon, because that way at the beginning they can eat it, but then as it melts, they can kind of drink that as well.
Some of this.
All right, how is it?
Delicious.
All right.